Hello, 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 hello. It's the Ron says, welcome to you. It's the Ron that says, welcome to you. I have a lot of energy. It's mostly from caffeine, but I'll take the artificial source of energy every day, multiple times a day, to keep me going. So I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I am Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day. And today we've got a brand new palette from Colourpop, all Amethyst. And I love Amethyst. I love purples. I love whole. They had a song called Violet. And the first one, and the sky was made of amethyst, and the stars look just like little fish. If you know that song, give me an extra thumb up. Well, just give me a thumbs up anyway. But that's a really great song. If you're an old grungy gal like myself, we love it. And the palette looks like this. And guess what? It's time to have magic swatches. We haven't done those in a minute, so here they are. Bam! Magic swatches all the way here. It's very pretty and shimmery, and it's got lots of good tones, and I'm about to figure out what to do with it. Well, of course, I'm going to put it on my eyeballs. Woohoo! Put it on your eyeballs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Put it on your eyeballs. But this is truly a very beautiful color story. And I haven't even bought a Colourpop palette in a while. Like a while. Not that they haven't had releases, but damn, they have releases. And a lot of them are so similar to other things. I don't have a palette that looks exactly like this. I do have like a lilac palette and a purple palette and some other purples, but not this exact color story. So I didn't feel bad about buying it. Even though I literally have over 20 Colourpop palettes, which is easy to do, especially if you like their stuff, which I do. Let's start off with something nice and mellow in the crease. Let's start with High Grade. It is a shimmer, and there's nothing wrong with starting with a shimmer. I usually like to use a matte color, but you know, that's really pretty. It's a beautiful shimmer. Shake it, shimmery. Please don't tell them you know me. That's an old Grateful Dead song. I'm full of songs lately. What's been stuck in my head lately has been Pumped Up Kicks. All the little kids with the pumped up kicks, they better run faster than my bullet. Once again, not a great singer, but I'm enthusiastic. Let's go into Feb's Gem. Let's dig into this one. That's pretty. Right, Ruby, it's really pretty. She is the chattiest of all the cats. Our sweet Ruby Roo. Ruby Booty. She is a prize and a princess, and she is well loved here. Oh, Ruby! That's usually what Louie does, but she then tries to get up on the shelves, and that's not cool. No, Ruby, get down. Honey, get down. Get down. Come on, get down. Come on. This is not going well. Ruby Tuesday, you're crazy. Let go of the chair. Let go of the chair, Ruby. Oh, Lord. The battle of wills. Ruby, get down. Get down. That was nerve-wracking. You just never know what's going to happen when you've got cats in the house. My pink has faded out to this really beautiful, almost lavender. I'm loving it. So that's really pretty. I think I'm going to, I need some more punch. So I'm going to go into Amulet. There we go. That's looking nice. And put it in the crease. Just building up colors. That looks really beautiful. All the little kids with the pumped up kicks. Ooh, looking a little patchy. A little Apache. Not like the American Indians, but Apache. Look. Don't worry, even if it starts looking weird, I always save it in the end. I pull it out with some magical powers that I have. I'm going to go back into high crimes. And go up here. And blend that out. Ooh, it's so shimmery. Oh, maybe I'm not going to pull it off. Maybe it's not going to work. That looks crazy. What have I done? What have I done? All right, let's do a little darker color to give a little depth. That's working, and that is called Crystal Crazy. All the little kids with the pumped up kicks. Supposedly that song is about murder because they have to run faster than a bullet. So maybe they're Superman. I'm gonna just get a big fluffy brush and brush off some of this high grade eyeshadow. That's much better. I was looking like some crazy stuff. Some crazy stuff. Let's get a blending brush and blend some of this stuff out so we get some softness going. I think Ruby threw me off my game. She's so crazy. That's okay looking, but it's not great. It is not great. To be this far into the video and not have great eyeshadow, that's a problem for me. I'm going to go into Trigonal. No, I'm going to go into Brilliant and put it on the lid. It's just a very light, shimmery lavender. But that's still not what I really want. I'm going to have to go into some highlighter into Star Island to get what I really want, which is that shimmery white brightness. All right, let's do some liner and lashes and see if I can't pull something out of my hat. And voila, that did help quite a bit. little eyeshadow fallout. Did I just blink into oblivion? Maybe. I don't know what I'm doing, but that's okay because it's just for fun. And let's do a lip color. Let's do a neutral. We're gonna do my favorite number 65 Seductress from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And I was watching a Trixie Mattel video the other day of her favorite things from 2021. And this lipstick formula was in her top. And there we have a really beautiful look from Colourpop. This palette is a little weird to work with. It's okay. It's not the greatest palette ever, but I wanted to try it out because I love the purple so much. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.